We in the kitchen cooking some cube steak in the oven inside of gravy. Got some steak and chop seasoning. Make sure you get that nice and coated. With some oregano, some black pepper, and some pink Himalayan salt. But the star is that ground cinnamon. Gotta have that ground cinnamon. Get that all coated. Now I got a Dutch pot that I'm adding about a little bit of vegetable oil to it. Make sure you season that all-purpose flour. Gonna fry these about 3-4 minutes on each side. We're not cooking it all the way through. Take that out the pot and let it drain. Like I said, we're not cooking it all the way through. Make sure you got that oven preheating at 325. Take out some of that oil. You don't want to use that much oil. Now I'm adding some onions to that oil. Let those drippings stay in, of course. Now I'm going to fry these onions. I'm not sauteing them. I'm going to fry the onions. Add a tablespoon of butter. A heaping of all-purpose flour. Let that cook for like 2-3 minutes. Get that floury taste out. Add a little bit more flour. Stir that up. I'm going to add some beef broth. Look at that. Look at this fried onions. Put that back in there. Can't taste it now. Like I said, I add a can of beef broth. Let that cook for an additional 5 minutes. There's your brown gravy. Yes, I can make brown gravy. Now you want to go ahead and add those cube steaks back to the pot. And not gonna, as you can tell, it's not immersed. It's not that much gravy in there. It's just enough to braise the cube steak. Put that lid on and in the oven for an hour, 10, hour and 15 minutes at 325. Hour and 15 minutes later, succulent, juicy, tender cube steak. Can't go wrong with cube steak. Can't go wrong. Subscribe if you like what you see. We cooking cube steak in the oven. Cube steak, got a little broccoli, a little baked potato, a little sour cream and cheese on it. But the star of the show is the cube steak. Thanks for watching.